DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana, and I know I've been going for a long time, but I'm back. Have a little tan going, but it is summertime during COVID. So today guys, we are going to do a wash and go because I have not done a wash and go in so long because I did have full locks in, which I did by myself. I was going to record it, but I didn't know exactly what I was doing, but I did pretty damn well. I will insert pictures of my full locks, but yeah, I did them all by myself. Came out so nice. But I'm like, you know what, it's time for me to at least let my hair breathe, and then I'll put them right back in again. But you know, let me just do a wash and go. So today we are going to be washing our hair with some Shea moisture products. This is my favorite shampoo, honestly. I do have the Jamaican black castor oil strengthening and restore shampoo. Love this shampoo so much. When I first started off as natural, I had like the really big bottle, and I just love this shampoo so much. One, because it is very clarifying, but it gives you so much strength, and I love like the little watery consistency you can see. It's so good. I love this shampoo, and I was really excited. I picked it up at my TJ Maxx. It was only $5, so I'm happy about that. And then I always wanted to try this deep conditioner, the Strengthen and Restore deep conditioner. I always wanted to try this. I hear so many good things about it, and I'm gonna follow up with the leave-in. I heard lots of good things about this leave-in as well. Now, I don't think there's a styling product for this line, but I had this baby sitting in my stash for so long, never used it. I don't know what it's gonna do for my hair, but it's an oldie but goodie in the natural hair community. It's like the part of the starter pack we start off as natural, but it's the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And I'm like, you know what, it's Shea Moisture. It's a Shea Moisture party in this video today, so I'm gonna use it for my wash and go. I'm gonna be doing that. My hair's already detangled, so I'm gonna go shampoo my hair, and I'm gonna come back when it's time to apply the mask. Hey guys, so I'm back, and I just finished washing out the shampoo, and baby, my hair is clean. Okay, my hair is clean, baby. Okay, that's all we gonna say, is that my hair is clean. So I used quite a bit. It's like up to here, but I did use it 3 times because I really wanted to make sure that my hair was cleansed. So we're gonna start with the deep conditioner. My hair's a little bit matted up because, you know, I usually wash my hair in sections, but I did not do it this time. Now the consistency of this is so thick, like it's so thick. I never used this, so I'm so excited. It just smells like earth. Not like bad earthy smell, but it smells like earth. It's not fruity. It's not a fruity scent. I can't really explain it. But I'm adding it on. Look at those curls already popping. And I'm gonna detangle. So I'm liking this already. You know, peppermint, Jamaican black castor oil, shea butter, all of the good stuff. So again, there's not much slip in the product, but that's okay because it's still a lot stronger. So I'm gonna let this sit underneath my plastic bag. I'm gonna sit for probably about 45 minutes to like an hour. I want my hair to be really deep conditioned, and I will be back when I wash it out. Okay, so I just finished washing out the deep conditioner, and let me tell you something, my hair feels so soft and moisturized. So now you know I like to work in sections, so when I am doing my wash and goes, I want to make sure that my hair is covered with the leave-in conditioner first, and then I will go in and apply the styling products. So this is the back section, and you can see that deep conditioner really did help. Look how my curls just bounced back since my hair is strengthened right now. So it's detangled. It looks good. It looks great. So I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner. So take some of the leave-in, and it's creamy, which I love. I'm not going to add much, but it does have that shea butter apple cider vinegar smell, peppermint smell, and you can just see how the curls just bounce. Alright, so I'm just gonna add all the leave-in conditioner in. adding the leave-in conditioner all over my hair. I let it sit for about 15 minutes. So now I'm going to add the curling cream as well as my Eco Style gel. Now this smells like, I want to say like flowers, and I don't know, but the consistency is really weird because it's very silky, but it does say that it has neem oil in it, and it has coconut oil, and it has silk protein. That's why it feels very silky and it looks very shiny. I don't think you can see it on camera, but it's very shiny. So you can see the curls right here. Pretty sure I don't even need the curling cream, but it is summertime and my hair gets dry, so I need the moisture to stay in. So I'm gonna take just a little bit. This does not seem like a little bit, but you know what? Don't judge me. Curls looking good. Now I'm gonna get the gel. Definitely clumped my hair. Now I'm gonna get the Felicia Leatherwood brush just to make sure every single curl is covered with product. Alright, split it in half. Alright, so this is it. Curls look good. Hopefully I don't get any frizz. Now the front of my hair doesn't curl as much, so we're trying to get it in. Twirl it around my fingers. Alright, so I just finished all of my hair, so now I'm about to go sit underneath my hooded dryer and I will be back when it's all done. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is day 3-ish of my wash and go with the Shea moisture products. As you can see, it's nice and fluffy, but yeah, I had to turn my wash and go into like a twist out to preserve it because it was so humid that day when I took it out, so my hair was like shrinking and I was like, I don't know about that. So I put my hair up in like bangs and a high puff, but that humidity in New York City that day was like drastic. But I just retwisted it. I didn't comb it out, so I just added gel and just retwisted it, and it is not bad. It's very soft. I don't think the Eco Style gel paired good with it. I mean, it didn't flake, but my hair just didn't hold up, so I think I need something stronger. So maybe I'll try next time with like a wet line for my wash and go, or my main choice gelato. Like that right there is a strong hold, okay? So I'll try something like that next time to get like a stronger hold. So I just now realized like Eco Style does not give me strong long lasting hold. It gives me hold but not long lasting. It's way better in like the winter, fall, spring months, but summertime like it's a dub. But let's go through the products. The shampoo I love. Like I love this shampoo. It's clarifying. I love it so much. My hair does feel a lot stronger after being in a protective style for 4 weeks when I had my faux locks, so this was a good cleanser. I love this shampoo so much. This deep conditioner was everything, like everything, especially when it heats up. I love this. I will definitely reuse this. I use almost like a half a jar, but I love this. Pretty sure I'm going to reuse this in the near future. Maybe not this wash day coming up, but like a follow one, because I just love this so much. My hair was nice and strong. This leave-in conditioner was everything also. It is nice and creamy. I didn't use much. Nice and creamy. I can definitely do a wash and go with only this product. It doesn't need anything on top of it, except for like a gel, but like a curling cream or anything, you could just use this by itself as a styler. Love it. Strong. My hair is moisturized. I love this leave-in conditioner, and I'm definitely going to be using this when I protective style my hair, because I know I saw a lot of reviews and they were saying that this is a really good product for protective styling, so definitely going to be reusing that. Now the curl enhancing smoothie was okay. I had this product in my stash for like almost like a year and a half. I haven't used it, and I don't see like the big hype about it. When I was doing my hair, I had like a lot of frizz on my frizz prone area, which is on my right side. Had to keep adding water and more product and gel. I mean, it's alright. Will I use this again? Probably not. Maybe I'll try this for a twist out and pair it along with a wet line, or you know, probably use like Eco Style again. Eco Style gives me really good twist outs, but I'll use it more in like the fall months. But I mean, it was okay. It's really not much to like rave about. I wouldn't really recommend this. I would definitely recommend everything else, but I mean, this is, honestly, I may just give it away. So yeah, but you can find all of these products in Target, Sally's. But yeah, again, these are my results. It's super nice and fluffy. There's no flaking. Eco Style gel does not give me flakes at all, no matter what I pair it with. But it's nice and big and fluffy. I love it, my hair. But the wash and go didn't really last that long because of the humidity, but it's not the product's fault. I love it. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Kingston Curves, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.